Yes, this is a very interesting question. That is, here is a double bond. One methyl group is above the plane. It is treated with NBU4 NBr3. It is actually a brominating agent. It will give bromine and which will add in this double bond. So, what will be the stereochemistry of this product? It is the question. So, first we'll draw the most stable conformation of this molecule. This is a cyclohexene derivative, so it has half chair conformation. One methyl group is here, CH3, and it will have, if the ring flipping occur, then it will be like this, CH3. Now this is a pseudo equatorial position. Here methyl group is in pseudo equatorial position, hydrogen is pseudo axial position. Sorry, this is the pseudo axial position. Here it is axial, so this carbon atom, this is pseudo axial position, where this is axial hydrogen, so this is pseudo equatorial. Here the hydrogen is in pseudo axial, here the hydrogen is pseudo equatorial. So guys, now the methyl group is above the plane. So if Br2 will add, then Br2 will add from in which conformation? In this conformation or in this conformation? Now here the CH3 in pseudo equatorial position. So this will be a stable conformation if the final product, in the final product, the CH3 will be in equatorial position, so it will be stable. So from this conformation the reaction will occur, but in this conformation the reaction will not occur because CH3 group is in pseudo axial position. So after the addition of bromine, the CH3 will go in axial position, and we know that axial position 1,3 sign diaxial interaction will occur, so that will obviously be less stable. Now if Br2 add in this molecule, what will happen? Minus Br minus, so Br2 will add below the plane. Br2 will add from below the plane because the methyl group is above the plane, so it will come from below the plane. So here a bromonium ion intermediate will form. Now the bromonium ion intermediate will break when Br minus will attack in this carbon or in this carbon. So here two attack is possible, either A attack or B attack. Now if the Br minus will attack on this carbon atom, this bond will cleave. So one Br will above the plane and one Br will be in below the plane, and the two will be in diaxial position. So for when Br minus will attack in this carbon will go above. This is the carbon, so this carbon will go above and this carbon will go below. This is the another carbon, and here one CH3 group is there which is in equatorial position. So this is the bromonium ion intermediate cleavage when the attack is A attack. Now if the B attack happen, then what happen? This bond will go above and this bond will go below. So So this is the, here will be one Br, here will be one Br, and this is the CH3 here. So this conformation is not chair conformation. This is twist boat conformation. Twist boat conformation. This conformation is highly unstable because cyclohexane is most stable in its chair conformation. So this product will be formed. So A attack will be favorable and this product will be formed. Now if we represent this product in another way, then it will be like this. So here the CH3 is above the plane, here another Br is above the plane, and another Br is below the plane. So we will compare this with our answer. So CH3 and Br are above and Br is below. Here CH3 Br above and Br below. So number 3, option 3 is the answer for this question. This is a cyclohexane derivative, and cyclohexane derivative are more stable in half chair conformation. This is half chair conformation. Now here CH3 is above, so CH3 is above, and this is the half chair conformation. Here CH3 is in pseudo axial position, and if we flip the ring, then another conformation will result where CH3 will be in pseudo equatorial position. Now from pseudo axial, if cyclohexane derivative will result, then CH3 will go in axial. So this, from this conformation, reaction will not happen. And in this conformation, CH3 is in equatorial pseudo equatorial position. So if cyclohexane derivative will form, the CH3 will go in equatorial position. So from this conformation, Br2 will add. Now as CH3 group is above the plane, so Br2 will come from below the plane, and here 2 attack is possible for opening of bromonium ion intermediate. For A attack we are getting the chair form, chair conformation, and for B attack we are getting the twist boat conformation. And as we know that cyclohexane is most stable in its chair conformation, so this product will form. So A attack will preferable and B attack will not be preferable because twist boat conformation is not favorable for cyclohexane. So if we represent this in another form, then this will be the product. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting video, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.